I'm going to show you two things that you can change right away with your music instantly is going to add a fuller sound to your playing. Check this out.
So the cool thing about add 9 side of a progression is you're just taking scale degree 2, adding it into the mix. So C chord gets a D added to it. An A minor chord gets a B added. An F major gets a G, and a G gets an A. You're just adding scale degree 2. But you can invert it. Makes for a nice little suspension if you keep it on top. But you can change it up, mix it up. The second part is all in the power of the left hand here. Octaves are amazing, especially to build energy, to build drama, suspense. And if you really want to get crazy, build it up and then break it into a halftime.
Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more tips and tricks at the piano.